Hi kids, I've got two heads. Ouchies. Oh, there's nothing breakable in there. Welcome to Odin's playtime. Hi kids, today we've got the new superhero egg from Vlad and Niki. You can get a blue one or a red one, but I chose the red one, which is Vlad's, because it has a dino inside. Niki's blue one has a robot, which is pretty cool, but I love dinosaurs. I'm going to show you what's inside. Of course, we've got the rampaging dino toy. It's got a scratch comic book, some Vlad and Niki slime, Vlad and Niki race cars, skateboard, and superhero mask and cape. Kids, there's 20 surprises inside. I am an egg. Please open me. Kids, you heard the egg. We've got to open it. I pulled this to open it. This is what it is. Whoa. Whoa. This is pretty tough. Oh. This looks like a keychain. Okay, I've got this and this is a stuff band. Look at my band. I've got this. And have a look at the comic. This is a comic and you have to scratch out the grey squares. So like this case is coming out you. What is this thing? Oh, it's very heavy. Could it be the dino? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it's a dino! Another dino to add to my collection. Just gonna roll, I'm gonna eat you. Another member of the T-Rex family. They are popular. But what's this? I'm gonna lead him. Lead. Take your lead. Leading. Lead my T-Rex. He's going dun. This is a superhero mask. It's already on me. How do I look? It didn't say it came with a helmet, but it did. Okay. My goodness, looks so sweet like that. Got the cape on me there. It's got a foot and a nut on the back. Super Odin is ready for action. I don't even know what you're doing because I'm Super Odin. I'm going to put this on this T-Rex. Cody! It's bothering me. T-Rex wanna die. Uh-oh! Next surprise. The super glue slime. Is it slimy? No, it's sticky. It's stickers. Guess which sticker is my favorite. If you guessed T-Rex, you would be right. Let's open it now! Just put the stuff there anyways. The fingerboard. Let's do it. Nose grind. Kids, have you ever seen a T-Rex on a skateboard? Racing somewhere. Next surprise. What's in here? Slime or not? Do you think there's any slime at all? It's a tattoo. This one. I want to say what slime is. The person. The figure. We've got Vlad and Niki's little brother. Whoa. Just closing it because it is gooey. We've got Niki's race car. That was quick. Just did a backflip. Can the skateboard do a backflip? I'm going to take this. Because it's another figure. It's fun. It's fun. I don't even know. It's been a long time to get out. I got superhero Niki. I've got this, which I can put on my wrist. Could you believe I put this on my wrist? Yes, I've got these wristbands. What's this? and stamp around. Because these are my lightning bolt stamps. Probably work better on paper. No. One. Let's do an egg and just crack it. Uh-oh. Finally, I think this could be slime. It's a yucky yucky slime. What colour do you think this is? I hope it's green. I'm right, it is green. Green is more dinosaur-y. Green is more dinosaur-y. Oh my god, we see us. Should we had a brother, the mouse had a bird, and me this cat. Wait, show us like the dino. I said that when I was trying to find it. And show us slime. He's slimed in the slime. Nobody can kill him because he's slimed. He's like poison. I'm never gonna get all this off him. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, slime! It's stuck on me, yeah! Little brother gets stuck on the end! He's stuck on the end! Let me get it free! Let me get it free! I had the chocolate free. These 3 left! Watch it out! This not gonna be Niki. Niki, pretty. Oh no, they all came off! Got superhero Vlad. What is this? Uh-oh. Let's try. Got Vlad's car, which is more like a Jeep. And we've got Niki's car, which is a racing car. And they're gonna... Thanks for watching my video, kids. See you next time. Bye. There's a T-Rex coming for you. Oh, you kids. Oh, we're kids. Run away. We're super kids. Super kids.